Equal housing opportunity and international wheelchair symbols. We fly above a swimming pool whose outline resembles the number 8. A small round spa pool is at one end of the swimming pool. We enter a one-story house-like structure. We enter a white entryway in the entrance hall. A coffee table is flanked by 2 sofas, and beyond are transparent doors to the outside. This common area has several groupings of tables and chairs, sunlit windows, and a TV screen at one end. The kitchen area is at the other end, which is an island, a sink, cabinets, and kitchenware. Dining tables and chairs are next to the kitchen area. We briefly walk through a gym with various equipment, then we fly above the low apartment buildings and adjacent parking spaces. The buildings are brown and white with gray-brown roofs. We go to an outdoor grill area, then a dog run, then we fly above the swimming pool area again on a sunny day. The pool area has lounge chairs, sets of tables and chairs, and is surrounded by a low fence, beyond which are a few trees and footpaths to apartment buildings. We go to another outdoor grill area, which is grills and a few sets of tables and chairs under a pergola, and an indoor kitchen area. A combination light and fan fixture is on the ceiling. We briefly go to the playground, then we go to the apartment buildings again and enter one apartment. The combination light and fan fixture is on the living room ceiling. The kitchen is next to the living area and main entrance door and has a breakfast counter. It is furnished with a fridge, a range, microwave, and a dishwasher. It has counter space and several cabinets. A laundry area with a washer and dryer is at one end of the kitchen. One bedroom has a full bathroom, a window, a combination fan and light fixture, and a walk-in closet. We fly above the apartment complex on a sunny day. Logo: Stone Brook Apartments. Equal housing opportunity and international wheelchair symbols.